So you've managed to find a stock that you want to trade in, but now you need to buy shares in that company. Well, the stock that I have to present to you guys today actually does that as one of their services. They're basically a trading platform that allows various traders to get into various markets, such as the stock market, ETFs, commodities, and bonds. And you can imagine, with all these lockdowns going on over the current pandemic, it's presented so many golden opportunities for a lot of traders to get into the markets, hence attracting more customers to this company, as you can see in their revenues and profits graph over the last several years. But before I go telling you guys what these shares to buy today in March 2021 are, I need you guys to do me a big favor, and that's to smash the like button, share this video too, and subscribe with the notification bell on as well. Thank you guys. So with no further delay, these shares to buy today in March 2021 is for a company called CMC Markets with the ticker symbol CMCX.L in the London Stock Exchange. And as you guys can see, their share price has been steadily increasing over the years. And at this moment of time, they have a current share price around £4.30 and a PE ratio of roughly 7.3. Just screaming out that it's undervalued. Could this potentially be a golden opportunity for you guys to invest in? Now that's the question. But you guys know how I like to run these videos. I like to look at the financials, starting off with the income statement. Over the most recent years, this stock's revenue has generally had a trajectory of upwards. Yes, in 2019 they did take a dip, but this gets quickly ignored when you look at their most recent year to date, their TTM. They've got a revenue of roughly £430 million. This must be their largest amount to date. This stock is thriving during this coronavirus pandemic. But you guys know better than anyone, it's not about how much money you make. It's about how much money you get to keep and put in your pocket. So looking at their net profit for the most recent year, it's £170.2 million, guys. This is very impressive. But what I will say though is that when you compare it to the previous years, they haven't come nearly as close to this sort of figure. It then makes me think, is this sustainable for this company, or is it going to be a short-lived experience? Truth is, we don't know, but let's see what the balance sheet says as well. And the balance sheet looks quite good, guys. They've got highly liquid money in their cash and cash equivalents of roughly £84.3 million, and their short-term assets are able to easily cover their short-term liabilities, and a similar sort of thing for their long-term assets and long-term liabilities too. All in all, it works out as roughly they're able to cover their total liabilities about 2.4 times using their total assets. A good balance sheet is there to just do one thing, and that's make sure that the assets can more than comfortably compensate for liabilities and debts. And this company's balance sheet does just that. However, let's look at what the cash flow statement has to say. And their cash flow, generally speaking, is positive. Yes, it does fluctuate from year to year, but when you look at the overall cash from operating activities, it's positive, guys, which shows that this company knows how to run its business the proper way and remain profitable. Whilst their cash from investing activities is negative, which shows that they're looking to take money out and invest it into the future in the hopes of it bearing fruit and bringing more money back to the company in the long run. And it's a similar story for the cash from financing activities too, which is also negative as well, guys, because it shows that this company is looking to pay back more debtors than they are to take out new forms of debts. It only makes sense for a company to do this when they have a considerable amount of money stacked away. After all of that, you guys can probably see why CMC Markets has made my shares to buy today video in March 2021. What I will say though is that I feel this stock might benefit a short-term investor, just because I think that CMC Markets are really gaining from this current pandemic we are in. Not to say that I can't see the stock growing, but I think the growth has been enhanced because of the current situation that the whole UK economy is in. It just makes sense when you think about it, because during this whole pandemic, there's been some golden opportunities to make some serious money, which has in turn attracted more traders than normal to enter into these markets. And you guys know these traders are effectively CMC Markets customers. Things like the cryptocurrencies drastically rising, the whole GameStop thing. Even last year when the first lockdown happened, the stock market really felt it, guys. I reckon this attracted a lot more traders than there normally would have been, And it sparks the next question. What happens when things do go back to normality? Will CMC Markets be doing as well as they are doing right now? I don't know. Only time will tell. But let me know what you guys think down in the comment box below. And whilst you're there, make sure to support my channel, guys, by liking this video, sharing it too, and subscribing with the notification bell on as well. It's your favourite YouTuber, guys, DS Learn Finance, sharing my thoughts and my experiences with you guys every Sunday at 3 PM. Have a great day, people. Bye.
Whoa.